What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the iPhone XS Max. Now I've been super excited to do this unboxing because I've had this phone since launch day, which was last Friday, and today is Monday when I'm shooting this video, and I've been looking at it on my desk and waiting to do an unboxing for you guys. So that is dedication. Here the phone is in all its glory. This is the iPhone XS Max, guys. Now, I went with the white phone. Now, if you guys know me, I have had a black phone for a minute now. Oh, look at this. I love how slick it is opening the box. But anyway, I have had a black phone for the longest, and I don't believe I had a white phone since an iPhone 4 back in the day. So this is me going back to a white phone. You guys probably don't even care, but I'm just excited because I haven't had a white phone in a really long time. Now, when you open the box, you get this first little sticker and packaging that I always throw away. Designed in California. I definitely hope so. And then this is what you get. Normally, you only get like stickers in here. You also get your SIM popper if you guys change out your SIM card and move to a different carrier, that's what you'll need for that. So that's just something that's always been in there. And then, of course, you get all of your setup features and things like that. I normally don't ever go into that, and I normally usually just throw that on the side when I'm making these types of videos. But why not? I mean, you do get a SIM popper, which is super important because a lot of people haven't mentioned this in their unboxing or review videos, but all of the iPhone XS Max and all of the iPhone XS's are the exact same model. So there's no GSM, there's no CDMA. These are all the exact same model. So that's something cool that no one has really mentioned. Now, here is the phone, guys. Look at this thing. Before any of my fingerprints get on it, it is sick. Look at it. Now, oh yeah. This is it, guys. This is the iPhone XS Max. I really like the white. This is my iPhone 10, just to compare. iPhone 10, iPhone XS Max. Almost dropped them. So other things that you get in the box is going to be your earpods. Just like normal, the earpods are going straight into the device because there is no more dongle in this box, which I felt like it was definitely necessary. You also get your charging brick and you also get a charger. So I really didn't think Apple needed to put a dongle in the box anymore, just because it's kind of a way for Apple to say, hey, you're buying a $1,200 phone, you're buying a $1,000 phone, might as well get some Bluetooth headphones. I believe most people do have Bluetooth headphones at this point. So the dongle is only $9 at Apple. I think it's kind of, not necessary to be put in the box anymore. So that is everything that's in the box. Again, you get your normal earpods, you get a USB Lightning cable, and then you get a charging brick. Another thing that I think Apple could have did a little better is put a fast charger in the box now, and then have this being USB to USB Type-C. That's just me, but hey, I have no problems with Lightning. I still think Lightning is a good way to charge, but USB-C is the wave. So that's really it. Now let me give you a little bit of specs. The iPhone XS Max and the iPhone XS, they do have the new A12 Bionic chip in them. So that means the phone will perform 30% faster than the other iPhone X model, which is, if you put them side by side, I'm pretty sure you'll notice it because the iPhone XS Max and the iPhone XS will have a faster Face ID. So the Face ID will open a little faster on this phone compared to my iPhone X. New sensor on the back of the phone. They did put a new sensor in there. So you're going to get a faster autofocus and you're going to get better low light pictures. The Smart HDR, the phone will take a bunch of pictures and then merge them all together so that you're getting the best picture possible. So that's something that's really cool. Also, when you're choosing the portrait, when you're taking a portrait mode picture, you will be able to change the aperture on the picture depending on if you want a super low f-stop where the background is really blurred, or if you want a higher f-stop where the background isn't blurred at all. So it's really cool that they did put that in the software so that you can have more control over, your pictures. It's kind of crazy that iPhone camera pictures are kind of becoming a little better than some of the more expensive cameras. Like the Sony what Sony do I have? Anyway, my Sony camera, I really never pull that out to take pictures. Same thing with my Canon that I'm filming on. I never pull that out to take pictures. If I'm taking pictures, I'm always using my iPhone. So that is it for this unboxing, guys. Let me know what you think. This is the iPhone XS Max. This is the iPhone X. Size comparison right there. This thing is already riddled with fingerprints. I don't even know if you guys can see them, but yes, it's already riddled with fingerprints. Of course, I do need to get a case on that, and the case that I did decide to get is this green case, this green leather case from Apple. If you guys, I don't even think I mentioned this before in a video. Green is my favorite color, and this is the perfect green color. Look at that, guys. Look at this green and look at the phone. So like I said, that is it for the unboxing. This was just an unboxing. This isn't a setup. This isn't a full review. I will do a full review of the phone probably next week. I do have a bunch of videos coming up. They're going to be all Apple related, so expect that in the future, guys. I hope you guys liked my last video about the MacBook Pro. I've been getting a ton of questions on that. I will do another video in about a month of me using that MacBook Pro. But for this is all iPhone, soon to be Apple Watch video coming soon as well. So like I said, all my videos will be Apple related in the future. I would say for the next month or so, tune in. It's going to be Apple everything. So that is it for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Please leave me a comment down below. What phone did you get? If you are upgrading to a iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max, are you happy that there is a bigger size phone for the iPhone X version? I know that I am. I wanted a bigger phone since the iPhone X launched, and now my wish was granted with this one. Let me know what you guys think. How do you like the size of it? In my hand so far, I think like texting and everything is going to be not so bad. It's the same size as the iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 8 Plus, so that's not a huge change. It's just getting back used to that size. Coming from the smaller phone, going to the bigger phone. Until next time, guys, always like and subscribe, please. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're my old subscribers, you guys are the best. And new subscribers, welcome to the family. Leave a comment below, drop a like on the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.